Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is buy the dips. Buy the dips, you say? Yes. If a stock's in an uptrend and it has a small correction, a pullback, some people subscribe to the theory of buying the dips. Now, I consider the relative strength of a stock relative to the market before I buy dips. One example of this is if the stock is uptrending for a long period of time and has these little course corrections, you can buy those dips with the hope that that relative strength kicks in and that stock resumes its uptrend. Now I'm going to give you a real-world example of buying the dips. In the 90s, Jack in the Box killed people with E. coli burgers. It was called Food Maker at the time, and people died on the West Coast. The stock got collapsed, and it went from $18, I think, to $3. However, over time, they came out with the safest food delivery system around, and the stock rallied, and it rallied all the way up to about $11 over many years. And then one day, McDonald's came out with a 55-cent hamburger because why? It was their anniversary, 55 years. And Jack in the Box got whacked for 15%. And I bought the dips because I thought, well, they're not going to keep the hamburger at 55 cents forever. And sure enough, that stock not only came back after buying that dip, but it went on to go to $28 and beyond. That stock had high relative strength and had a moment in time where the market got a little spooked, but the uptrend continued. Today's word is buying the dips. It can be very profitable if you understand what you're doing, who you're following, and what stocks you're buying if they have high relative strength.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening.